Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Olympad Maths blog. So my dear student, today our question is x to the power 4 minus 16 is equal to 0. So student, through this video I will tell you how to find out all roots of this equation. So student, our equation is x to the power 4 minus 16 is equal to 0. So this equation we have to arrange in the form of a square minus b square. So we have to write in here x square whole to the power 2, and in the place of 16 we have to write 4 square. Okay student, again we have to write 0 on right hand side. So my dear student, after that, we have to apply this formula on left hand side of this equation. So if you apply this formula on left hand side, then left hand side will become x square plus 4 into x square minus 4 is equal to 0. After that, my dear student, we have to apply the formula zero product rule. So zero product rule we have to apply in this equation. So if you apply zero product rule, then we have to write in here x square plus 4 is equal to 0 and x square minus 4 is equal to 0. So student, again we have to solve this equation. X square we have to write on left hand side, and if you transpose 4 left to right, then we have to write 4 on right hand side. Okay student. So after that, my dear student, so we have to find the value of x. Okay student, that's why you have to transpose square left hand side to right hand side. Okay, so it will be, and so my dear student, after that so value of x will be root over of 4. Okay student, so square root of 4, that means plus minus 2. Okay student, that means the value of x will be 2 or minus 2. Okay student, but similarly we have to solve this equation. Okay student, so student, before solve this equation, we have to arrange this equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then we are able to determine the discriminant of this equation. Okay, so if you arrange this equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then we have to write in here x square plus 0 into x plus 4 is equal to 0. So my dear student, b square minus 4ac, this is the formula of discriminant. Okay student, so if you compare this equation with this equation, so then we can easily get the value of a, b and c. So here the value of, so if you compare, here is a and here is, there is no number in this equation. In the place of a there is no number, so you have to take the 1. Okay, so the value of a will be 1, and in the place of b here is 0, so b is equal to 0, and in the place of c we have to write, see here is 4, so value of c will be 4. Okay, so then my dear student, so we have to put this value in this equation. So b, the value of b is 0, so you have to write 0 square here minus 4 into the value of a is 1, so you have to write in here 1, and the value of c is equal to 4, so you have to write in here 4. Okay, so if you calculate, then we get, so 0 square means 0, and if you multiply 4 into 1 into 4, then we get 16. So that means 0 minus 16, that is minus 16, which is less than 0. So my dear student, our discriminant is less than 0. That means this equation has imaginary root. Okay, this equation has imaginary root. Okay, but this equation has 2 real root, but this equation has imaginary root. Okay, to find the roots of this equation, we have to apply the Siddhacharya formula. Okay, so to find out the roots of this equation, we have to apply this formula. Okay, so in the place of b, a, c, we have to put this value. Okay, so value of b is 0, so you have to write in as 0. b square, so that means here will be 0 square minus 4ac, so here we have to write 4 into 1 into 4. Okay student, divided by 2a that means 2 into 1. Okay, the value of a is 1, so you have to write in here 1. Okay, so my dear student, so here is minus 0, that means 0. Okay, plus minus root over of 0 square means 0. So 0 we have to write in here, minus, if you multiply 4 with 1 with 4, then we get 16 divided by 2. Okay student, so here will be 0 plus minus root over of minus 16. Okay, divided by 2. So my dear student, 0 again we have to write in here. So we have to write in here 16 into minus 1. Okay student, divided by 2. So it will be 0 plus minus, so square root of 16, that is 4, we have to write in here 4, but square root of minus 1, square root of minus 1, that is I, this is imaginary. Okay, so square root of minus 1, that is I. Okay, divided by 2, 0 plus 4i divided by 2, and again we have to write 0 minus 4i divided by 2. Okay, so if you 0 plus 4i, that is 4i divided by 2, comma 0 minus 4i divided by 2, that is minus 4i divided by 2. So if you divide 4i by 2, then you will get 2i, and here will be minus 2i. The value of x will be, x is equal to 2 minus 2, 2i minus 2i. Okay, so this equation has 4 roots. This equation has 4 roots. Okay, the roots are 2, minus 2, 2i and minus 2i. Okay student, so our answer is complete. So if you like this video and if you like this trick, so please support me and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.